Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry. Start with a strong foundation. Organic chemistry builds upon itself, so understanding the basics is crucial. Focus on mastering nomenclature, isomerism, and fundamental reaction types. Practice drawing structures and mechanisms repeatedly. This initial effort will save you significant time later. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to reviewing these core concepts. Reaction mechanisms are the heart of organic chemistry. Don't just memorize, understand the electron flow. Draw each step, identifying the movement of electrons with curved arrows. This visual approach helps solidify your understanding. Work through at least 5 to 10 mechanism problems daily. Consistent practice is key to developing intuition and problem-solving skills. Problem solving is paramount. Work through numerous practice problems from your textbook and previous examinations. Don't hesitate to use online resources like video lectures for clarification. Collaborating with a study group can provide new perspectives and reinforce learning. Make flashcards for key reagents, their structures, and their specific roles in reactions. Aim for 20 to 30 problems weekly. Consistent revision is vital for long-term retention. Create concise summary notes and reaction maps that link different concepts. Self-test frequently to identify areas needing more attention. Try to connect new reactions to similar ones you've already learned. A 15-minute daily review session can significantly improve recall. This systematic approach ensures you retain complex information effectively.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.